Hey again, welcome back to my channel. It's Jay Goldfinger here, and today we're doing what's in my gym bag. This is actually my new gym bag from Bagsmart. It is currently empty. I'm gonna transfer my stuff from my old gym bag into this gym bag in this video. Stay tuned if you wanna see what I bring to the gym. I wanna get more into fitness this upcoming year because that was one of my biggest hobbies a long time ago, and I really want to lock in for 2025. So give me a like if you want to lock in with me, and also hit subscribe if you want to follow my journey. The first items I'm going to pack are these 2 yoga blocks. They're the biggest thing that I put in my gym bag. I love to stretch before any workout and for my cool down. So I like to have my own yoga blocks that nobody uses. These are perfect to do abs. If you're doing a plank, you could put your forearms on these to do a plank. You could do a pike push-up by holding both of these. These yoga blocks are life changers. So these are the first thing I'm gonna pack. A lot of the items you're gonna see me pack are things that the gym might come with, but me personally, I'm a germaphobe, so I like to own my own items. Put this in here. It's actually gonna give it a lot of structure, and they fit perfectly, the 2 blocks. Maybe I could put the other one on top. Yeah, see? And there's still a bunch of space. Here's what it looks like on the side. Perfect. Let's move on to the next item. All right, the next item I'm going to pack is this jump rope. This is a Nike jump rope. It's weighted. I believe the handles are 5 pounds. And I like to jump rope for my cardio. Sometimes running can get boring for me, so I like to have my own jump rope. Now that I have it wrapped up, I'm gonna put it in this pouch right here. It fit perfectly, and there's still 2 more pouches. I could still put stuff in there. All right, the third item is Sweet Sweat. This is in the fragrance Citrus Mint. This is a workout enhancer. This just makes you sweat a lot. There's just science behind it. You just rub it on yourself. I usually put it on my stomach or my arms so that it sweats a lot. And I like the smell of this. I know sweating is just your body losing water, but it makes me work out harder. So it's like more of a mental thing than it is like, oh, it's burning fat. So this one can go in the second pouch. And I know this next item is a faux pas. Like, I know a lot of weightlifters and bodybuilders don't like wearing gloves, and you're looked at a little different if you're wearing gloves. I know this because I used to work out religiously with a bunch of straight males, and you would always use chalk, and my hands would be busted, but I can't do that. I work corporate, I shake hands with people a lot, so I have to do gloves. And I like these because they have a grip, and they have a wrist strap. I got these from Walmart. They're the Gold Gym. And if you don't know, wrist straps help you lift up more weight if you have weak wrists. So I like to use these for my everyday use, but mostly when I do bench presses, because it just helps me keep my arm and wrist straight. Just put them wherever on the side. The next item will be this ankle strap. The gym one, at my gym at least, is gross. I'm gonna put that on my ankle. So I purchased my own. This was fairly inexpensive on Amazon, and it gives me peace of mind if I'm doing like leg lifts or kickbacks. I know that I'm using something that I sweated on. I needed my own. I'm just gonna put this in the third pouch. Here's what it's looking like now. I have my jump rope, my sweet set, the ankle strap, my yoga blocks, and on the side I have my gloves. The next item are these discs. You put these on your feet, and you could do mountain climbers or grasshoppers or bear crawl. So I like to take these with me just in case I want to do some cardio in the workout room. And that just slid in here. Next item is this. I forget what it's called. I'll try to find the name and put it up there. But it pretty much has these 2 straps on the sides where you could put the dumbbells so that you could do hip thrusts. So this is helpful to do hip thrusts with 2 dumbbells instead of putting them on your thighs itself. You put them on this, and this is padded and soft, and you put that on your lap, and then you can do your hip thrust with the dumbbells, and it's a more comfortable experience. I'll put this in here. The last 2 items are my Gymshark shaker, apologize for the noise, and my Nike water bottle. 24-ounce black water bottle from Nike. Just gonna put this on the side pouch. And the Gymshark shaker on the other side. And that's it. My gym bag is fully packed with everything I could possibly need. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, give me a like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.